Hello everyone, welcome back to another of a review slash tutorial here in Serpwizz, and we are still doing the Ahrefs series of tutorials, and today we will be highlighting on the last core tool of Ahrefs, which is Content Explorer. I am already in the page for the tool. I just access it using this tab right here and then go down to Content Explorer. And here we have the dedicated page for this tool. However, it is not the tool itself, but only just a page where information about the tool can be found. Because in order to access the tool, you will have to have an account with Ahrefs. So you need to sign up, and from their pricing, which I'm going to show you real quick so that you have an idea of just around how much you can expect to pay when to sign up for Ahrefs product and services. So here you go. It starts at $99, and for business plans it starts at $999. And these are all the features that you can get once you have an account with Ahrefs. So let's go back to the tool that we are going to discuss, and today we will be talking about Content Explorer, which Ahrefs mentions that it's the search engine made for marketers. So let's see what it's all about and why is it the search engine made for marketers. Before we go down to um, check the information about this tool, if you wanna watch the complete thorough demo of this tool, then you can click on this part right here, and a video will pop out, and you will be able to watch the demo there. So here we go. It's the Content Explorer dashboard looks like this. So these are all the websites, and these are the metrics that will come up once you input keywords over here. And then Ahrefs has proudly mentioned that they have around 11 billion web pages to find content ideas and link prospects with. So that's an insane amount of web pages where you can benefit so much from. So here we have some statistics. And then right here, filter by SEO and social metrics to identify proven ideas. So it's going to be very useful for your next marketing campaign if you use Content Explorer, because as previously mentioned, it is the search engine made for content marketers. Here it mentions about Content Explorer's main features or the purpose of this tool, and it's to analyze any page's organic traffic, backlinks, keyword rankings, and social shares over time. So what's really amazing about Ahrefs is that you get to filter according to your requirements and needs. So for example, you can filter the time, or how long you want how long ago do you want the results to be. Is it the last 6 months? Is it the past 12 months, or so on and so forth? And then you get metrics over here, and it's really nice that they show it in visualization form in the form of graphs, because just showing numbers can be overwhelming sometimes, and it can be pretty confusing. But if you see it here like this, and you have a complete view or understanding of the trend that is shown on the graph. So that's an example of how Content Explorer tool looks like. And then if you want to watch it, you can hit this replay button because it's going to be a sample. And then here we have actionable use cases. And this is another example of how Content Explorer tool looks like. And you can change it up here to see or to check depending on what you need. As you can see here, these are different filters, and you can actually add filters according to what to your preference, I mean. So you can change this up, add or um take away some depending on what you need. And here you have guest blogging opportunities. So if you're if you're new in guest blogging, or if you're in professional seasoned one, then this is definitely helpful for you. And then find topics that generate links. You can filter those according to the referring domains. So you can change all those up depending on your preference. And then here, monitor your competitors' publishing frequency. So you see, it's not just talking about, or it's not just targeting your website on how you can improve it, but you're also getting to see what's going on your competitors' pages. And that's very important because you want to be able to monitor them and see how they're doing, see what they're publishing, so that you can match them, and even better, you can surpass them. And that is actually it for this tool. As you can see, if you have watched all of the previous videos that we have done, you would notice that all of Ahrefs tools are very easy to use. They have extremely simple user interfaces, so that it won't be difficult for you to use, or it won't be intimidating to use at all. And that's another great thing about Ahrefs. Dashboard is simplistic, and you can see right away the results. And aside from the numbers, they use visualizations, and that's amazing, right? Because not all people are fond of looking at numbers. Some of them, or some of us, like visualizations better, and it engages us more. So that's a very thoughtful addition from Ahrefs. And yeah, that is it. We have finished all of the core tools that Ahrefs offer. On the next video, we will be reviewing the extra tools and features that Ahrefs have. So those are tools that you can access when you sign up with them. And aside from these tools, you get access to those other extra tools and features. So thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you on the next one.